Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first we should open the phone application and then tap on these three dots. Now we should click here to the settings and tap to block number section. After that we'll see all the numbers which here in our blacklist inside. So if you want to remove one from this number, you should just click here on this minus, and after that we can see here the message that we can receive the calls and messages from this number. By the same way we can just unblock the second number too. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.